A prominent fixture on this corner is Deacon Brodie's Tavern, a traditional Scottish pub and restaurant named after one of Edinburgh's most notorious historical figures. By day, Brodie was a respected tradesman, cabinet maker and city councillor, trusted with access to the homes of the city's elite. By night, however, he led a secret double life as a burglar, using his skills to copy keys and orchestrate a string of daring robberies across Edinburgh. For years, he evaded suspicion, carefully maintaining his respectable public image. His luck eventually ran out after a failed armed robbery in 1788, leading to his arrest, trial, and execution by hanging. Brodie's extraordinary double life captured the imagination of the city and is widely believed to have inspired Robert Louis Stevenson's novel The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, a story exploring the dual nature of human identity, an idea embodied perfectly in Brodie's own life.